Welcome to About the World. I'm here at the booth of GigaDevice and I'm together with Reuben Townsend. Hello, Reuben.
Hello.
Reuben, would you please as first introduce a little bit GigaDevice? What are you doing?
Yes. GigaDevice is a Chinese fabless semiconductor company. The company designs and architects their own flash memories. These are NOR flash and also SLC NAND flash. In 2013, they licensed an ARM Cortex, which was first for a Chinese supplier. Today, we now have MCUs based on the M3s, M4s, the M23s, M33s, and now wireless MCUs.
Yeah, here behind us you have a couple of demos on show. Maybe you talk us through the one or other of these demos.
Yes, of course. So here we have different applications showing the technologies, making use of the different features of these various microcontrollers that we have. This one that we see in the corner there is an AC-DC switch mode power supply. It's a complex design. It's actually based on two microcontrollers. We have for the PFC side, we use a Cortex M23, which we call an E230 series. And then for the LLC side, we use a Cortex M33, which we call the E503 series. So these control on the digital side, and the two MCUs communicate to each other through a serial interface.
I see here an evaluation board. Can you explain something about that?
Yes, this is a very, very brand new product we're demonstrating here. As you know, at GigaDevice, we have ARM Cortex M3, M4, 23, 33, and also RISC-V based MCUs. We've licensed Cortex M7, so this is generating a lot of interest. And here, this is an evaluation board showing the Cortex M7 silicon. So it's real, it exists. We are doing engineering samples today. We should be going in production in the next quarter. The M7 is supporting 600 megahertz system clock frequency. It has a hardware encryption. And for the peripherals, we support CAN FD. It will support dual Ethernet MAC 10100. So a very, very high performance Cortex M7 MCU. So the other demo, we also have here an example of a wireless fan control. So this again is using a wireless MCU, which we call the W515 series. And this is a Cortex M33 with integrated 2.4 gig transceivers. And this is running the Wi-Fi stack. So this particular demo is showing remote control over the Wi-Fi of the fan. So we can not only control the fan through the Wi-Fi, we can also perform over-the-air updates, which is becoming more and more important in such examples. Further below, we also see the same product, the wireless MCUs, but this is in a module form. So for customers who wish to design their own module, we can provide the reference design, and the reference designs we've used have passed approvals and certification with the Wi-Fi, the FCC and CE approvals.
Okay, one or two more.
Yeah, sure. This example here, we're showing our high-performance Cortex M4 based MCU. This is a Cortex M4 running at 240 megahertz. It has the optional floating point unit, supports up to 3 megabytes of flash, and the flash is, of course, GigaDevice's own design. So we have patents on the flash controller. And the SRAM is a very high density SRAM, 768 kilobytes of on-chip SRAM. And in this example, we actually ported over a graphics library from LVGL, lightweight, versatile graphics library. It's a very popular, free, open source graphics library. And we ported this onto the F4 series. It allows the end user to very easily, quickly develop GUI type applications. And of course, this particular MCU is well suited because it also integrates the LCD controller and also integrates an IPA, an image processing accelerator, which handles all the shifting and color space conversion. So it works very, very well together.
Okay, thank you very much.